Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy my content and that I make so much of it, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. This is really confusing always with MACYS because their website is always temperamental. Let's put it that way. But I did find some information out, and I always like to share with you that if I know something, I want to make sure that you guys know it too. So I set something up on my computer, but I also went into a lot of different websites to get more information on the products. But let me show you everything and then we'll get started. All right. So this is the MACYS reveal for the June of 2022 bag. All right. So as I mentioned, this is set up on my computer. And if you're not familiar with MACYS Beauty Box, it is a $15 a month box. But what they do is they put you on a wait list. And even though we are still in May, the wait list is already for July. So you have to put yourself on the wait list, which is what I did. And it took me a couple of months to get off of it. However, it used to never give the month of when you should be able to get yours. So I'm assuming that the fact that they're saying July, that if you sign up now for the wait list, you'll probably be able to get on the July box. What you should also know is that when you go on the wait list, they do send you an email, and then you make the decision if you want to go off the wait list or not. So I always say, if anything is intriguing to you, put yourself on the wait list, and then you're in control when you want to get off that wait list when they send you that email. All right. So this is where some of the confusion is with this, because this, they never change, but it's not always accurate. It says you should get a chic pouch, which you do not always, but you do usually get at least 5 deluxe sample sizes, and they're saying plus 1 bonus. The bonus is usually a sample of a perfume, but it isn't always deluxe sample sizes either. So this one is also. They also mentioned this is a $5 off your next $20 plus beauty purchase. But sometimes they put a $10 in there, and then it is a $40 off your next beauty purchase. So this sometimes is not always accurate that they have on their website here. And the reason I'm saying that is on this area here where they have some of the items that are going to be in the June box, which I have a larger picture of, which I will share with you in a sec, there is a $10 off card. So I'm assuming this month in June, we're going to be getting that $10 off card. And sometimes they do that during, holiday seasons and things like that. But also I feel when a bag might not be as high of value as what they usually like to give us, which is usually around $50. But last month it was a little less. And this month it looks like it might also be $37.49. So based on the information on this picture, this is what I went off to get more information for us, because when I went to shop full sizes, this is what came up, which is what we all received this past month. So I wanted to share with you the information because that's what I like to do for myself. And because I do it for myself, you guys ended up finding out that you guys have been enjoying the information that I have been getting for myself and sharing with you guys. So based on this picture and this picture alone, let me see if I can get everything on here because there are 2 perfumes. All right. This is what is here. So I'm going to read you the information of what I think is on the screen here, and then I'm going to go into more detailed information to know more about the products because that's what I'm interested in. So this is going to be the MACYS June box, and it appears that it will include from Mugler the Angel Eau de Perfume sample, the Mugler Angel Nova Eau de Perfume sample, the Beauty Crop Avocado Nourishing Hydrating Eye Mask, and that eye mask alone, when I did the research, is $6. Then they have from Mineral Fusion, the nail polish. And then we have from Buxom Cosmetics, a lip gloss mini. Then from NYX, we have the Jumbo Eye Pencil, which it looks to me would be full size, and that's also around $6 retail. And then we have from Chlorine Laboratories, their dry shampoo with oat milk, as well as these perfectly polished nail strips, which are created for MACYS. So I couldn't get any more information on that, but I always find that the products that are created for MACYS are ones that I always get great deals on, and I really enjoy. So now let's go into detailed information on each one of the products that are in here. So the Mugler Angel, we've received, if you've been with MACYS for a while, this I have received in the past from them, but this is the #1 seller for this brand. And Mugler Angel, they're saying it is discover the delicious and fearless power of Angel Eau de Parfum. They're saying each facet of this fragrance triggers a different emotion and launches you into a sensation that is wilder than your dreams. They're saying the brightness of the bergamot ignites your senses, while the fantasy of the praline ignites the sweet, playful memories. It is a unique cocktail that is counterbalanced by the energy of a patchouli leaf for the fearless, long-lasting impression. So this has the notes of bergamot, praline, as well as patchouli leaf. The Mugler Angel is one of their newer ones, and this one says it is a dedicated for the daring woman who makes their dreams come true. The Angel Nova woman embodies renowned through their creativity and imagination. It is bold and inspiring, and she rises by creating her own world. Determining her transcending reality, she's blossoming. She lives up to her dreams almost 30 years after creating an angel. Mugler sheds new light onto this iconic fragrance and the woman who embodies it. The Angel Nova is a captivating fruit, floral, woody eau de parfum. So those are the information I got on the two angels. Right next to it, we have from Buxom, and this is a brand that I enjoy so much. And I used to always buy them when they came in kits during holiday season, so I can get a lot. So I've had the opportunity to try so much from this for many years. But this is what they call their, and I'm assuming this because there's no information, that this will be their Plumping Lip Polish Gloss. And this saying is their best-selling lip gloss that visibly plumps the appearance of lips with a tantalizing tingle in a high shine shimmer finish. It gives mesmerizing shine in shimmer. It has a pearlescent as well as a glitter finish. It is refreshing, but it has a tingling sensation. It has a unique peptide complex that helps to visibly plump your lips. It also has vitamins A and E and is known to provide lasting moisture. And it's also made without parabens, petroleum, mineral oils, and like that. So this could either be the lip cream or the lip polish, because they both come under, when you search for Buxom, their glosses. So I'm assuming this is their one that is called the Plumping Lip Polish. But if you guys get more information, or when we get the box we'll know more, that is what I'm assuming right now. The other side here has the Mineral Fusion nail polish, and they're saying this is a long-lasting chip-resistant nail polish that applies flawlessly with Mineral Fusion custom extra thick brush. They're saying it provides a high shine finish that stays color true throughout the wear. It is a high-performance formula that allows for effortless, smooth application. It is also paraben-free, all the frees, and then it is also cruelty-free and vegan. And then the Beauty Crop, the Avocado Eye Mask, like I mentioned, this single is a $6 value, and they're saying this is a nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches that will hydrate and depuff our tired eyes. The avocado will moisturize and target dry skin, while the green tea will energize and depuff our under eyes. And it says, say goodbye to stress. Treat and relax your under eyes because you deserve it. Each of their hydrogel masks are made from aloe vera water and a plant cellulose that's making them gentle enough for any skin type and totally biodegradable. It says, please do not use the eye masks when you're using products containing retinol, or it's because it may cause irritation to the skin. because the hero ingredients in this are avocado oil, and the avocados are extremely rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which translates to happy, nourishing skin. It also has chamomile, that is an anti-inflammatory extract that will soothe the redness and inflammation, as well as minimizing the puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It also has green tea that promotes DNA repair within the skin to keep your skin looking young and fighting signs of aging. It also has licorice root that fights wrinkles, brightens, soothes the irritation, and will help condition your skin. The item that's below that is that NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and that also is around a $6 value, and it's easy to use jumbo stick will format for a quick application. They're saying it combines an eyeshadow and an eyeliner all in one. It is a long wear liner that features a creamy formula in many blendable shades. They're saying it is sharpenable. It is a multi-use crayon that can be used as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, as well as an eyeshadow primer or a highlight. It features a creamy formula that glides on smoothly like silk and is easy to blend. The formula will last all day and does not crease or dry out. It is available in an astounding array of shades that work both day and night for any eye look. It says you can apply it to your waterlines, your inner corners, as well as your entire eyelid. And it's made with a blend of mineral oil and powder. It is a creamy jumbo eye pencil, will glide on effortlessly with no pulling, no tugging or fading, and it is also cruelty-free. And then finally, we have the aerosol there, and that is from this brand called Chlorine. And it is a dry shampoo with oat milk. And on their website, they had a bunch of different ones, but the one that was solely with oat milk, because they had some that were for dark hair and things like that. But I chose the one that I thought was more universal, which is what I would assume would be put into a subscription box. And this is an organically harvested oat milk that will soothe and protect your hair and your scalp. It has corn and rice starch, which is a powerful cleansing action. And it is a natural absorbent, microfibers, and silica, so it will rid your hair of any excess dirt, oil, and odor. It will gently clean your hair in minutes. It will eliminate oil, dirt, and odors. It will refresh your hair between washes and extend the style and color, and it instantly adds volume as well as texture. It is an ultra-fine powder with no white residue. It is ultra gentle. It is a plant-based ingredients, and it is hyperallergenic and vegan. It's good for all hair types, so those looking for increasing their time between their washes to help extend the life of their blowouts and color. It is safe for color and chemically treated hair, and is suitable for even the most sensitive scalp. So those are all the items that I think are going to be in our June box for MACYS of 2022. But I also wanted to share with you more information on each item. So if this is a box that you're going to be getting, I wanted you to know what each product will do for us. I'm very excited actually for this box. The Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask sounds so unique. I never read ingredients like this, and for the fact that it's biodegradable, I've never had the opportunity to try an eye mask like this, so I'm excited for that. The Mineral Fusion, their nail polish remover, is one that I really enjoy, and the fact that it has a thicker brush, I think that's very intriguing. And I like the fact that we're getting a NYX full-size makeup product from them. I'm excited to have the opportunity to try the newest family member to the Angel line, and Buxom is, like I said, a product that I enjoy and excited to get this in the bag as well. And then the Chlorine dry shampoo sounds very unique in its own sense as well. So the value to me is definitely there because I will use everything that is in this box, and that is how I look at the value of the subscription boxes. Please share with me in the comments down below your thoughts on what we're going to be getting possibly in our June box. But based on the information, like I said, on this temperamental website of MACYS, this is what I was able to find and be able to share with you guys. So everybody, hope you're enjoying your holiday weekend. And to everybody, this is a really important time that so much is going on in the world. My thoughts and prayers go to everybody and everything that is happening around us. But this is a little bit of happiness that I like to share on my channel. So please take note, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.